Hi guys, so we're at Walmart. Mom had to cash a check, and positive check, sorry. And I wanted to get a few things. I wanted a calendar, water bottle, some bottle caps. I'm addicted to those. And a new handbag and a Trolls book for Ella. And these lines are extremely long. We were gonna go look at baby clothes and film that, but we don't know how long the lines are now. We just walked by a guy.
Wow.
And we don't want to say we're going to look at baby clothes and then we don't even go look at baby clothes. So,
Let's show these lines.
let's look at these lines, guys. Give me 1 second. Now look at that.
You see all those people?
How do you turn it around now? It's extremely long. And you see me?
Yes, you.
And we don't know.
I want to try.
No. Okay, here. Hi.
Hi. Can I see?
No. But yeah.
Okay, so the phone is like full and it keeps cutting off, and I'm sorry, I look terrible. I'm so super tired. My eyes are bloodshot. I don't know if you can see. Let me give you a close-up. Is that creepy? Woo! Look at how red my eye is.
There's 7 views on that.
Maybe we should title this video Creepy.
It's extremely creepy. Mama shows her bloodshot eyes in the baby section.
But we were going to check out, but the lines are so long, I'd just rather walk around the store even though I'm so super tired. I'd really rather go home. I honestly don't know when. I probably said it in one of the other videos when the phone shut off, but I'm going to say it again. When did Thursday at 9 o'clock become the time to go to Walmart? Ooh, let's rush out to Walmart. I mean...
Don't you have work on tomorrow?
Yes, I have work in the morning.
Not
I'm
you.
so tired. Oh, all those shoppers. And they didn't just come here to like pick up something quick for breakfast or dinner. Like they have their weekly shopping. Like their buggies are packed with stuff. I just don't understand.
Their buggies are full of like stuff, like cereal, milk, orange juice. Why do you need that stuff?
Well, I mean, they need it, but why do you need it at 9 o'clock on a Thursday? I don't.
You can go shopping. I don't know. But
this doesn't seem normal to me.
Okay, I want to ask you guys.
We're switching subjects, apparently.
Is this?
It's cute.
Like, that's adorable.
Adorbs. Ella, quit climbing.
I need to get in.
No, get down. Thank you.
I want in.
Oh my goodness. Probably about to have a meltdown because I think she's really sleepy. Watch out. So, anyway, that's just my thoughts for the night. Walmart on a Thursday, don't do it. Have a good night. And I'll try not to look creepy next time.